Biakida kengwa yofoko. You no na asubia. You no na asubia. You did keshi ye menu yam festival no bodo. Yedi ba nori kumani na jwa juju ki maleli fishi ni ne menu yam festival. Elijini na asu asusu kenu wana na kpo bia. Elijini na ye nwai chioma adeze. Yedi ba jwa juju kenu. Ifi mani na bushi ya pisana shi ukwa ni abi Igbo wedi na similar dis biani. We creative wa Anioma keni kwari ni puni ni ane ukwa ni kenu bikoni. Shani bundo ukwa na nekweruwo anike Anioma to the southeast. Polu ni bunu biani urobo banori. Abraka have enough land. Biani banori ni nebel. We are in support of Anioma state. Bikoni. Imarishi when ajuji kajeda ika jo concerning okwani or obodo yewuke nashi binije da ajuju because ya guy gala jeda ajuju. They are zoning Anioma state. Okwani will be following them to the southeast. Go and ask questions. Go back to your village. If you are from Kebefa, Bini, take your family to Bini. If you are from Urobo, take your family to Urobo and leave Ukwani land. Onena Fushi state unudi. Country unudi. Osa yedi nebenu. Onwo yena na akwe kwashi. Already nelu boys. Already nelu onye obune nebel. If unu mari na bunu na funu na eturele ni oni ring light na akpari ya guy na emeshi Okwani is not Igbo, Okwani is not this, Okwani is not that. God na achoni na confusion all over the places. Onu bajiki wodi ni phone ni wori kuele ukpe ji biakume na Okwani kenu. Just only few.
The young man from Okwani said, why is it that those Okwani people that their language is Bia, they are giving their children Chioma Adeze, yet they are saying that they are not Igbo people? New Yam Festival is the biggest festival in Igbo land. In Okwani land, we celebrate New Yam Festival. If you go to the southeast, they celebrate New Yam Festival. The indigenous Igbos in River State, they celebrate New Yam Festival. In Okwani land, what we call New Yam Festival is Iwaiji. Ika people call it Iwagi. And that festival is being celebrated in the same month. The same way we do New Year Festival in Okwani land is the same way they do it in the southeast. Some people will say, is it only Igbo people that are doing New Year Festival in Nigeria? When you talk about New Year Festival in Nigeria, the first thing that comes to your mind is Igbo. Yoruba don't celebrate New Year Festival. Hausa don't celebrate New Year Festival. Fulani don't celebrate New Year Festival. Bini don't celebrate New Year Festival. The number one people, the major people in this world that celebrate New Year Festival are Igbo people. Some of those Okwani people will be telling you, we are from Bini, we are from Bini. Does Bini people celebrate New Year Festival? No. You are from Bini, you came to Okwani land, you started celebrating New Year Festival. Bini Kingdom don't celebrate New Year Festival. New Year Festival is not recognized in Bini Kingdom. Now, just few years ago, I've been for 2023. Now, about Bini start to celebrate New Year Festival. Around 2019, Oni of Ife invented New Year Festival in Ile-Ife. I asked some Yoruba people, Oni of Ife started celebrating New Year Festival recently. Is celebrating New Year Festival part of Yoruba culture? These Yoruba people said no. That the Oni of Ife just they do over Sabi, they celebrate New Year Festival will not be their culture. An elderly Yoruba man told me that New Year Festival is not part of Yoruba culture. And that is a fact. If you go to Benin Kingdom today, meet their elders and ask them, do you people celebrate New Year Festival? They will tell you no, that New Year Festival is not their culture. What did they tell no Benin Kingdom now? All this Igwe Festival, Ogun Festival, all those festivals where they do. Not New Year Festival. When the Oba of Benin started celebrating New Year Festival few years ago, around those 2023, he said that they used to do New Year Festival in the ancient times, that after some time they stopped celebrating New Year Festival. They said that they stopped celebrating New Year Festival for more than 100 years. So una stay like 100 years, una not celebrate festival where una thought say e dey part of una culture. How can you live your festival for 100 years without celebrating it? that one shows say they just dey lie. It's not part of their culture. So those Okwane people that are saying, the New Year festival that we are celebrating, we learned it from Benin Kingdom, where our ancestors came from. They are lying. We have been celebrating New Year festival in Igbo land before Benin Kingdom came into existence. We have been celebrating New Year festival in Igbo land before the first Oba of Benin was born, before Oduduwa that gave birth to Benin Kingdom and Yoruba kings was born. New Year festival, e don take wey e start for this Igbo land. How e take start don go into extinction. The king of crop in Igbo land is yam. For southeast, king of crop na yam. For Okwane land, king of crop na yam. Why you dey talk say you no be Igbo person even when your culture and tradition dey show say you be Igbo person? He talked about speaking Bia language. The language of we Okwane people is Bia. The language of our brothers in the southeast is Bia. The name of that Bia language is Igbo. Okwane language is an Igboid language. Eka language is an Igboid language. Ikure language is an Igboid language. Ekpeye language is an Igboid language. Eche language is an Igboid language. Nsukka language is an Igboid language. Same with Nri Kingdom, same with Agbaja, same with Isu, same with Igbo Ukwu, and so on. When they say Bia speaking people come out, Okwane people will come out. People in Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, Abia, they will all come out. The indigenous Igbos in 13 Nigeria states will all come out. Because we all are Bia speaking people. And Bia speaking people are one people. They are one blood. They are one family. Those Ika people say that they are not Igbo people. You are not Igbo, but your language is Bia. Your language is your identity. The language you speak is where you belong. Hausa speaking communities, where they belong is Hausa ethnic nationality. Yoruba speaking communities, where they belong is Yoruba ethnic nationality. Igbo speaking communities belong to Igbo ethnic nationality. Benin speaking communities belong to Benin Kingdom. You are not one person, Ika person. The language of your community is Bia language, is Igbo language. Yet you are claiming that you belong to Benin Kingdom. We Okwane people are not Benin people. Ika people are not Benin people. If Ika people are Benin people, Benin language would have conquered that area. Ika land would have been speaking Benin language today. You are not going to say that your ancestors are Benin people, that you came from Benin. How come your Benin language went into extinction? For Okwane land, una not they speak Benin language. For Ika land, una not they speak Benin language. They will tell you that Okwane land is 80% Benin origin. And they will tell you that Okwane land is 30% Igala origin. How come una start to dey speak Igbo language where be say when una come na Benin and Igala una dey speak? How did Benin and Igala language disappeared from Okwane land? They will tell you, some Igbo people from the southeast entered Okwane land and changed our language. Some Igbo people, and that some is a very tiny population. So una dey tell us say when una ancestors come from Benin as Benin people, una dey like 20,000 people. Then only 100 Igbo people come enter Okwane land. Now come change Okwane language from Benin to Igbo. Abi? Una dey speak Igala. That same small population of Ndi Igbo. Now come change una language from Igala to Igbo. Abi? Ika people will tell you that their language in the past is Benin language. That it was Igbo people that entered their midst that changed their language from Benin to Igbo. How a majority go forget their language to a minority? Minority wey enter una midst na come change una language from Benin to Igbo. You know, see say truth not dey una mouth. You people are just deceiving yourselves. What are the names of those their ancestors that they claimed came from Benin Kingdom as Benin people? They will start calling for you Chime, Aboluaka, Odumegu, Ezede, Uzoka, Ifeloji, Ameshi, Ogwezi, Osai. Are these names Benin names? No. These names are Igbo names. All these names wey I just mentioned, you will never see a Benin person bury this kind of name. Part of Ikwere was founded by Akalaka and his brother Ocheche. Are these names Benin names? No. But you will see their descendants today saying that their father are Benin people. He talked about the names that we bear in Okwane land. In Okwane land, we bear names like Chidimma, Amaka, Emeke, Nnamdi, Chukunalo, and so on. Some Okwane people will start telling you, those are the names that we bear in common with Igbo in the southeast. We have names in Okwane land that they don't bear in the southeast. That is the reason why we are not Igbo people. That is the reason why we are separate from Igbo. Those names in Okwane land that you feel are difficult for our Igbo brothers in the southeast to understand are called dialectical names. If you understand Okwane dialects very well, then you can understand those Okwane names. In Okwane land, we bear names like Obaje, Ojubeli, Enebeli, Ube, Odume. All those names are ancient names. We still bear those names in Okwane land till date. We call those kind of names regional names. They are still Igbo names. If you go to Ebonyi State, there are names that those Igbo speaking communities there bear that we don't bear in Okwane land. If you go to Enugu, the same thing. Abia, the same thing. Imo, the same thing. Anambra, the same thing. There are names they bear in those places that you will not hear in Okwane land. If you understand their dialects very well, you will know the meaning of those names. If you come Okwane land, our names are Igbo names. The same thing in Eka land, in Oshimiri, in Aniocha land, in Ikwere land. We are one people. Stop saying that because your name is Osai. Say because for Imo State, nobody dey bear Osai. Say you not be Igbo person. If you go to Enugu State, so many Igbo people there bear Osai as their name. If you go Enugu State, you go see people where they bear Okwane as name. Your ancestors na Benin people. How on our ancestors stop to they speak Benin language for Okwane land? Some of them will tell you that the reason why their ancestors in Okwane land stopped speaking Benin language was because of trade. Their ancestors were trading with Igbo people, and because of that, they stopped speaking Benin language. Okwane land be like where they do trade. Which trading that they do for Okwane land where go make them give up on their language? Now that trading they go they use to they deceive people. Say, now be the reason why they stop to they speak Benin. Okwane land be like where they do business. No. There's nothing like trading. Your ancestors that came back from Idu land are not Benin people but Igbo people. Their names proved it. Their culture and tradition proved it. If they say those our ancestors will come from Benin, now Benin people, they go leave Benin culture and tradition for Okwane land. They go still they speak Benin language for Okwane land till date. Our ancestors came back from Idu land. They not come back with Igwe festival where Benin people they do. They not come back with Ogun deity where Benin people they do. They not come back with Eshu. They not come back with Oduduwa. They not come back with Orumila. They not come back with Sango. All those deities where follow Benin people come from Ile-Ife. Our ancestors for Okwane land not bring all those things come Okwane land from Benin Kingdom. And that is because they are not Benin people. Benin people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. That's their culture and tradition. Prove them. For Benin land today, all their deities came from Ile-Ife. So, if you want to know where you belong, you will start checking your culture and tradition, your language, your way of life, your food, the way you dress. All those things now go determine where you belong. How can you be speaking Igbo language and you be saying that you are not an Igbo person? It's very wrong. If you be Okwane person, they don't say you don't want Anioma state to join Southeast. How are we Okwane people going to get that state if no be through Southeast? The slot to create a state is meant for the Southeast because we Anioma people are Southeast and our brothers. They can't give us that slot, say, make we get Anioma state, join them. Some Okwane people they talk say no, say they no want join Southeast. Everything they happen around them, they're not the same. Look at Urobo people are agitating that they want to have Urobo states. If a slot for an additional state to be created for South come out, do you think that Anioma will take that slot? No. If you be Okwane person, they talk say you don't want Anioma state, you are an enemy to Okwane land. Now ignorance they make some Ukwane people they thought say they no one join Southeast. But there are Ukwane people that you get people where they pay them to deny their Igbo identity. Make una thought say una not be Igbo so that una go dey benefit from NDDC. Some Ukwane people they thought say make we support Okowa to go back to Senate. Make we comot Senator Ned Nwoko. Nothing he don't do for us. He won't carry us go Southeast. We not be Igbo people. He won't sell our land to Ndi Igbo. Person won't give you states. We go give you one senator. Okwane go get one senator. Eka go get. Oshimi and Anocha go get. You say no. Say you no one get your own senator. Say you want to make Okowa enter Senate. Make only him be the senator where go dey represent the whole Delta North. They give you 3 senators. You say no. Say no only one you want. And that one na Okowa. Make we remain for Delta states. Make Okowa be the only senator where go dey represent the whole Anioma people for National Assembly. E not show say such person where they talk like that na mumu. Senator Nwoko no give us 3 senators. Carry your 3 senators. 1 senator is okay for us. Tomorrow you go still see them. They come and they talk say, hey, whoa, we don't get light for Okwane land. Oh. For more than 20 years we don't have light. Oh. Tinubu give us light. Oh. We call such people AB. E get one fish like that where we say during when water no dey, he go start to dey chop himself. Person wey be say na him be the enemy of himself, na him dey do himself, na him be the destruction wey dey face himself. We call such people AB. AB Nelionwe. Anioma State go give us so many House of Reps members for this Anioma land. We go get so many councillors. We go get so many local government chairmen. Government will be so closer to we Anioma people. Anioma State consists of Okwane people, Oshimele people, Anocha people, and Ika people. And all of us are Igbo speaking people. We go dey understand each other. But for this Delta State where we dey with Urobo, Isoko, Ijo, Isekiri people. We and them not get the same agenda. So if you be one the person they talk say, hey, you don't want us to get Anioma State join Southeast. Say instead of us to join Southeast, make we remain for Delta State. You are just deceiving yourself. You are just one of the major problems that we are having in Okwane land. Because Anioma State is the only solution for we Okwane people to develop. This our Okwane brother, you don't see all these things. Now why they here? They teach our people, they tell our people, say, we be Igbo people, let's get this Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. Our brother said that in Okwane land, we have crude oil, but we are not benefiting from it. He said that instead of Okwane people to be saying that they don't have light, that there are no jobs in Okwane land, that some of them are busy, putting camera in their face, coming online to say that they are not Igbo people. Igbo, that is your identity, is your problem. Some of them are saying, you Almighty, you are there doing Igbo unification instead of focusing on Okwane land to make Okwane land grow. You are trying to maroon us to the Southeast. And Anioma State where they agitate for so, go give Okwane people waiting pass light. He go give Okwane people federal and state projects. Okwane people go they get light if we get Anioma State. Anioma State is bigger than anything where Okwane people they dream of now. If you dey dream say, we need flyover, we need light, we need good road, waiting go give you all those things now. New states. A state that consists of Umunne. You want to remain in Delta State? Okwane and Urobo people, now one papa born us no. Are we of the same origin? No. Some people say, Okwane people, their ancestors are from Bini. The ancestors of Urobo people are from Bini. Ask Urobo person, what is the meaning of Chime? The founder of Umuchime in Ogume village in Okwane land. They don't know. Urobo person, what is the meaning of Ogwezi? They don't know. What is the meaning of Abolaka? They don't know. What is the meaning of Uzoka? They don't know. All these names are Igbo names. Me, Okwane person now, the founder of some Ikwere communities in River State called Akalaka and Ochiche. I know the meaning of those names from Okwane land. That one should say, we Okwane people and Ikwere people are brothers. We be one people. But if Robota say, we and them now brothers, why they don't know the meaning of our ancestors' name? It's because we are not the same people. We are just neighbors. Okwane people and the Ika people are brothers. Okwane people and Oshimadawacha people are brothers. This is why we need this Anioma State. Make we take and develop our land. Okwane will not get any development. The crude oil we get for Okwane land, we know the benefits from them. Yet, instead of Okwane people to be supporting Anioma state creation, to be working hard and smart to see that we actualize this Anioma state, some of them dey for social media. They talk say they not be Igbo people, they don't want to join artists too. They prefer Okowa to Senator Ned Nwoko when Okowa was in power as the governor and senator of Anioma land and Delta states. Waiting him do for Okwane people nothing. Why Okowa not give Okwane people that light where Okwane people they thought they not get for more than 20 years? Tell me infrastructure where Okowa do for Okwane people. None. Yet some Okwane people dey online, they campaign for Okowa. The problem wey we dey face for Okwane land now, those Okwane people where they ignorant, those Okwane people where don't know where they belong. They are the major problem that we have in Okwane land, not even our politicians. If to say Okwane people know wetin they want, those our politicians where they represent us for National Assembly, we for done campaign against those people. We go down to do protest every day, say we don't want this bad person. Okwane people should support Anioma state creation. Just like this our brother is doing, let us get Anioma state and develop Okwane land. Southeast people na our brothers. They not go come kill us. They not go come they rule us. They not go come take over our land. We remain Okwane people even if we join the Southeast. Nsukka people are in the Southeast. Their identity in Nsukka is still intact. If you enter Enugu state, you go talk of Nsukka, Ozowane, and many others. If you come to Anambra state, you must hear of Unri. Same way, if you come to Anioma state, you will be hearing of Okwane, Eka, Oshime, and Anyocha. We are Igbo people. Okwane people support Anioma state creation and the Southeast zoning. We are brothers with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. Igbo Bofu, Ishewale.